my name's Brittnee and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the tape on your tape-in hair extensions. You take your thumb or your fingers and you just roll it in a ball upward. I usually do it like upward and then to the side. Roll it to the side and then this will start to mat together. And eventually you may be able to grab it and pull. You want to be really careful because you don't want to break the weft if you pull too hard. Okay, so now you have the glue and then a weft. Then you want to take your fingers and just kind of roll up any of the excess glue and it will get it really actually pretty clean. But you want to make sure there's no residue on this base part or your sticker is not going to stay really well. So now that most of the glue is off, I'm going to take alcohol and clean this little strip here. Now if you don't have alcohol, you can rub like Dawn detergent soap on it, detergent soap, dish soap, I don't know, dish soap on it. Or you can just shampoo them, but now is the time I'd recommend to go ahead and give them a good deep clean, a shampoo, clarifying treatment, and then a conditioning treatment before putting them back in your hair. Once it's all clean, you're just gonna peel off the sticker from the sheet. Put the sticky side on the same side you took the tape off of. And you're gonna mash this really well. You don't have to spend a lot of time kneading it because when you put these in your hair, you're gonna clamp it with a flat iron, and you can watch one of my videos on how to reattach these or put in hair extensions here. And now you have the hair extension, you can take the sticker off and reuse it. Perfect. And that's it. Thanks for joining me here in my bathroom. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you want to for weekly content. I will see you next week.